back to Kamsi Space. In this video, I'll be making biscuits. How about I introduce myself? My name is Kamsi and I'm 9 years old. In Kamsi Space, we make food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. We make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Watch this video to the end. I know you like this video, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. So let's get started. I will leave the ingredients in the description box. So in a bowl, add 1.5 cup of wheat flour, half cup of icing sugar, two teaspoons of baking powder, and now mix. Now add half cup of cold butter. Now mix with your hands until it resembles breadcrumbs. Please, if you're using unsalted butter, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it. See, this is how it's supposed to look like breadcrumbs. Now add 6 tablespoons of milk and mix with your hands to form a dough. Has formed a dough. Do you know why I'm making these biscuits? It's because of my elder brother. He doesn't take any other biscuits except for digestive. So that is why I'm making biscuits today. I'm sure it will be ready before he comes back from his study. To be a surprise! Now, divide it into 2 parts. Now, keep this one aside. Now, get a baking paper and cover the dough. Use your hand and flatten it a little bit. Now, knead until it's completely flat. Yeah, I'm done. Now, cut it round using a cookie cutter or anything that's round shaped item. Now, remove the part that was not shaped. Roll it back into a dough and set it aside. Now, place this on your baking tray. Now that I'm done, get a toothpick and place it on the biscuit. Now that I'm done, it's time to bake for 20 minutes. But remember to always heat the oven before baking anything. I know you love this video, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!